Welcome to my AI Coloring Books Empire review video. As you can guess from the name, this product is all about coloring books and how to create and sell coloring books as a serious business. You might be wondering whether it is profitable or not to sell these kinds of books. Well, for your information, the demand for coloring books for both kids and adults has continued to increase over the years. These types of books are specially designed to ease stress and increase the focus level of kids and adults. Many folks have gotten used to using coloring books to ease stress and relax. This ever-increasing demand for coloring books has made lots of folks turn to making and selling coloring books as their means of income. With Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP for short, making and selling coloring books becomes quite easy. The e-commerce giants give you a platform to showcase your work to a larger audience and make more sales than you would have made on your own. However, the problem is they are always difficult to complete, with too many variables to put in. If you're going to create by yourself, perhaps you just produce 2 books per month that way. Do you want to hire freelance illustrators? They can give you nice designs, but this option is so expensive that you may break the bank even before making any sales. AI Coloring Books Empire can solve both problems. In addition, it makes sure the books you create meet up with your expectation in quantity and quality. So, are you considering producing coloring books for your side income or a serious online job? Check out AI Coloring Books Empire. First, what is AI Coloring Books Empire? It is a comprehensive course that teaches you how to use AI to create beautiful coloring pages perfect for publishing in paper books or selling as image packs on platforms like Etsy. With the step-by-step tutorials, you'll learn how to leverage the power of AI to create intricate and visually stunning designs that will capture the imagination of children and adults. AI Coloring Books Empire course is designed for anyone who wants to take their coloring book business to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned coloring book creator or just starting, our course is perfect. You'll learn everything you need to know about using AI to create beautiful, unique designs that stand out in a crowded market. And the best part? The course is fully integrated with Midjourney, making it easy for you to start selling your coloring pages immediately. From my own experience with the course, you'll be up and running in no time. Second, what kind of illustrations were created with AI Coloring Books Empire? AI Coloring Books Empire allows you to create the following samples with so little time and effort commitment. And you can also generate images with various levels of gray for the best coloring experience. Unbelievable, this is what I have to say after I discover AI Coloring Books Empire. Never before have I thought that I am able to create these complicated and impressive designs. I am completely blown away by the instructions that are easy to follow and implement. Third, the benefits of learning from this course. One of the primary benefits of using AI to create coloring book pages is the ability to quickly and easily generate high-quality images that are perfect for adults or kids. AI Coloring Books Empire will walk you through the steps to create stunning coloring book pages that captivate any audience for the quality of the images. Choosing the proper prompts is essential to creating beautiful coloring book pages. With Midjourney, you have access to a wide range of prompts that you can use to generate unique and visually appealing designs. The problem is those prompts are almost impossible to find online and difficult to create on your own. So, after the course, you will not only dominate Midjourney like a pro, but you will be able to create perfect coloring book images in a breeze, simply copying and pasting our prompts, changing just the subject. And you will be astonished by the quality you receive. And you can explore an infinite number of niches and sub-niches of coloring books, and use the same images for journals, agendas, activity books, workbooks, and stories. Finally, how much does AI Coloring Books Empire cost? As far as I'm concerned, it is now offering an early discounted price of $17, a one-time payment. In my opinion, this price is completely reasonable. Moreover, Alessandro Zamboni, who will be your mentor, is a reputable course creator who never lets me down with his simple yet effective methods and his dedication to delivering high-quality courses. The price increases after the early bird launch end. Click the link in the description to lock in your discount now. And also don't forget to check out my special freebies for this offer. You will find a lot of resources that are going to help you in your publishing business. If you have any questions, please comment to let me know. Thank you very much for your attention. Hopefully, my review video can provide the product information that you need for your decision. See you in my next video.